So seems like we are scammed by Resort World. Something happened during our stay in Hilton and we want to warn you. So watch until the end before you stay here.
Level 34.
Welcome to Las Vegas, and today we are staying at the Hilton Resort World Hotel. And let's see what we're gonna have in this beautiful resort. So guys, we just checked in and we have small problem. Our restroom is not working. Let's go.
Are you gonna show them your bump?
No! Hello. No flashing.
Do you think we should go and change the room?
I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay, let's go and change the room.
Yeah.
And also we were supposed to have the street view and we were told that we got one. But that's definitely something.
Look, it's a definitely strip view.
Yeah.
Look at this mountain. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go and get something else. So this is our new room and let's see what we're gonna get here.
Good job.
So we got a new room and finally we got a street view. I'm not sure if you see this, guys. I'm not sure why it's gated. I think this is the screen, the one that we see from the outside. So that's this huge screen that runs ads. And that's a bummer. But I mean, that's cool that we can check it, but I'm not sure if that's that cool if you stay here because it looks very like gated.
Oh
And you have just like a tiny window to look at the strip. And we have a pool view.
We are staying at deluxe king room with a strip view, and here we have king bed, we have this dining table, we have 2 nightstands, we have safe, TV, and the most important part, we have mini bar and half of it for your personal champagne.
That's cool.
Yeah. And guys, don't forget, this mini bar charges you automatically. If you pick up something, you have just like 30 seconds to put back, or your card's gonna be charged. And here we have closet with 1 luggage stand, iron and iron board. And let's go, I'm gonna show you the best. Here is the best.
Have you checked if it's flashing?
Oh, let me check. So here we have studio bathroom, restroom, sink, and golden shower.
Do we have a bathtub?
No, no bathtub. No bathtub, no bathtub.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Just shower and 1 sink and restroom all together. Combined together.
Okay. And everything's tiny, right?
Oh yeah, everything is tiny.
For the opening weekend, this room goes for almost $600 per night. On any other day, depending on what's going on in Las Vegas, you'll pay somewhere between $250 and $500 or maybe $600 per night. They advertise it as 400 square feet room, but based on our experience, it's super tiny, so I'm not sure if we even have 300 here.
Let's measure. So here's 10 and here's probably 2 feet. 12 feet. I told you. The room is too small.
Yeah, it looks tiny.
So here is 10.
I got you.
Here is 10. And so 27 by 12. Let's do the math. 27 by 12. 324 square feet. A little bit smaller. If we take this just like room without bathroom, it's like 150 square feet. It's so tiny, there is no place for luggage. I don't wanna talk about party. So, if we compare with Wien, it's uncomparable. Wien is here and the Hilton is here. Everything is brand new and no dusty places at all here. Let's talk about new technology. The resort world say the most technology hotel in Las Vegas. We have here wireless charger, 2 USB plug, one of them just like basic USB, another one Type-C USB, which is really cool. I love it. So shoes are manual, privacy is manual, and light is manual. But we have a pretty good sized TV for movie or entertainment in your room.
So this hotel is very business oriented, especially for those customers coming to visit convention center, and it's pretty close, it's nearby. And what's interesting that they are adding a loop connection built by Boring Company and Tesla, so maybe in a half a year or a year you'll be able to go directly to convention center from this hotel, which is really cool. But as for a business hotel, they do not have any working station here, which is extremely important for those coming on business.
Maybe it's stupid, but let's check the yellow stain. Oh, the mattress is brand new.
All of the decks.
Who knows? Maybe they use like some old or refurbished. You never know.
Great job. So at this moment, if you have a street view room, you also have a little bit of the construction view, but I'm sure that it's gonna take just a couple months for them to have it all sorted out and to make it look nice. What else is they have 7 pools here, so let's go and check out some pools and common grounds.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops.
So, the best part in this resort is pool. It's big, it's beautiful, it's so good, I love it.
So we do not have any bathrooms or sleepers, so let's request those. And also I'm gonna request some frequently forgotten items like toothbrushes and shaving sets, just to see what they have here. Hi, I wanted to request some items.
We just got our bathrobes from Resort World. Slippers. Oh wow, look at this brand, Frotte.
That's a very good brand.
Yes. Respect. 2 dental kits, shaving kits, sewing kits.
Do we have wine opener?
No,
We don't.
no wine.
And no wine.
And the gym is so professional. There is a lot of equipment. So the spa is gonna be open this fall. Stay tuned. Probably it's beautiful.
And now, what happened? So at check-in we requested a street view upgrade, and the manager was very nice to give us a complimentary upgrade, but we landed at a different room with just a city view, and what's more, our toilet was not flushing. So of course it made us like go back to the same front desk and the same manager. Now he wasn't that nice, he was very frustrated to see us again, he was arrogant and he was super annoyed, but after a quick search he found another room which he told was again a street view room and again complimentary. We were filming the whole video that you just saw, wondering like why would a street view have this ugly screen covering 70% of the view and preventing us from sleeping? And that's at a high luxury price tag. And then right before the checkout, I was just like checking for our chargers on my app, and wait for it, I noticed that I was charged an upgrade fee for the street view, and my room said a partial street view room. We were upgraded to a partial street view, now I get it. This is a screen and it means a partial street view, but why was I charged a street view upgrade?
So the manager lied to us twice and he made me stupid. So he said we have a street view and we did not. And he charged us for the street view upgrade, which he didn't give us. So this is so disappointing. I can't believe it about this experience, about this scam in brand new hotel in Las Vegas.
So I had to go downstairs again, as you imagine, and I addressed this to another manager on duty, and what he told me just shocked me. Can you imagine that they are oversold on street view rooms? And even if you book a street view room and arrive with your reservation, you'll be most probably given a partial view room. And most probably, they will forget to mention that to you as well. So once again, don't be scammed. Remember, if you have a screen, that's a partial street view. And if you are willing to book a partial street view, you will have a screen 100%. And that will totally ruin your stay and it's not worth it at all. So comment below what you think about everything that happened and about this scam.
So would you stay here again?
Well, that would definitely not be my first choice. And to be completely honest, your personal experience is always so much different based on the room, floor and views that you have. So maybe if I stayed here in a larger suite without this ugly screen, maybe in a different hotel like Rockford's or maybe Conrad, I would have a completely different experience. So maybe we'll be back and check some other parts to be objective. And also for the price, I mean, we have a luxury price tag, but we don't have luxury amenities and teeny tiny room. So at this price, you can get like something across the street, like a Wynn Hotel or a Bellagio or Cosmos. It's gonna be a lot better. Also, the hotel itself is really nice and everything's brand new, but I feel like it lacks one centerpiece, so something that would attract everyone to come here, because you know it's pretty far on the northern end of the strip, so it's a little bit of the walk to everything that you have at the center. So I'm not sure if they have that something to attract people. Like let's say Bellagio has fountains and it has gardens. The Wynn has very nice design and they have all the flower arrangements that people just come, you know, to look around. So here I'm not sure if just this one like World Bowl is enough to attract people.
Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel and see you next video.